What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is Friday, October 6th. Happy Friday to everybody out there. Yeah, this is the ES chart 2000 tick interval, and this is what my chart looked like when I opened up good old NinjaTrader this morning. As you can see, the past day we have this week we really kind of turned it down and then turned. I think Wednesday. And then you can see we kind of spiked, started going up Wednesday, and then we can see we slowly are going up, and then we had a huge drop, pre-market sell-off as we opened up today for Friday, and then we started climbing back halfway point where the market opened, started climbing up into this little uptrend that we have going here. But yeah, today was a decent day. It was a lot easier to read price action than the past couple days, and I ended today off with a positive gain, so that's always a bonus heading into the long weekend with a gain. It's always a good time. But yeah, so to start off this morning, we had a uptrend, and then it broke, and then you're expecting a new extreme. So then you can see it made the new extreme, and then it started into a new little market cycle, which I thought it was going back down. So I drew a little trend channel going down, and for the downtrend, tried to see if there's any moves, maybe like a second entry short somewhere or whatnot, but couldn't get any. Now I'm expecting a new extreme to break this trend channel going down, but the EMA is kind of flattening. So I was kind of expecting more of a trading range, but it kind of fit in the trading range because it did go up, bounce up, and then bounce down, and then we did get a failed breakout in this range. You'll see here. I was really working on myself to be patient today, because there is some times where I thought about entering, and I was like, oh, screw it, I'm just going to enter, right? But I held myself. I'm like, you know what? No, wait for it to be a good move and for it to actually make sense what it's doing, right? So I did that. You can see, though, we followed the price action well. It broke down, broke lower, and so now we possibly might enter the new channel or a new market cycle, because I had that break in my downtrend trend channel line. Then it went up and then went back down to make that new extreme, and now it's kind of going back up a little bit. But at the same time, I was kind of treating this range as like maybe like a failed breakout, and then it was going to go dip lower. That was my assessment going forward here, and as you can see, it kind of did do that, and this is where I took my trade of the day here. We got a first entry, second entry long, but I noticed it's gonna fail, and I was fading the breakout on this one, so I just took it, and it quickly filled my order. I was running 2 contracts with the runner, and I was gonna move the runner, but it filled it so fast that I couldn't even move my runner. So, but yeah, that was my trade of the day. It was a failed second entry long, because you can see we have our first entry from the top, and then our second entry, and then turned down. It ended up being a really good trade. I wish I did keep my runner, but I think actually it would have been stumped out. The runner would have been stumped out at the bottom there. But yeah, that was my trade for the day. I didn't see anything else I liked, because I'm being really strict on myself now. I didn't see anything else that I really liked going forward this morning. So I kind of just left it off there and just continued to analyze and see what the market was doing. I did that till about almost 5 o'clock in the morning, just reading price action, kind of saying, like in my head, saying where it's going to go. There's times where I thought about entering, but I would put it back, and then I'd be like, nah, you know what, I don't like that. But you can see overall, like when you look back, right? You can see like each previous swing high is getting lower and lower. So I'm like, I was thinking more of a bearish bias, and then out of nowhere, we kind of just skyrocketed, uh, literally all the way, I think, past that supposed midline and back to the top, and we regained a lot of um, price that we lost in the pre-market. Ending off the day, it kind of just spiked up, which is kind of interesting. I don't know what it was. I don't know like what happened, but it just, because we had that dip pre-market, right? Just shot down, and then it was around 4:30ish. It just kind of spiked all the way back up and reclaimed a lot of the price that I lost. I'm not too sure where the market ended. I'm actually gonna look it up right now. Hold on. Yeah, so it looked like this spike that you're about to see actually led into a giant rally for the day and ended up being a nice solid trend. Damn, honestly, there's times like this where I wish I had stayed on for longer, because it looked like it just turned into a nice fat uptrend the rest of the day and reclaimed a lot of the price back. But hey, that's what I get for going to the gym at 5 in the morning every morning and starting my day like that. Only train in the mornings, and this is what I get in the morning. So I gotta take what the market gives me in the morning, and can't complain about missing other days. But if you did trade all day, I mean, it looked like it was a solid day. If you guys traded this morning, let me know, because it looked like it ended up being pretty nice. But I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I hope everybody that did trade today had a good trading day. And if not, hey, there's always the next day, which take the long weekend and recuperate. And yeah, but I'm gonna leave my most recent video to my left, and then I'm gonna leave my subscribe button to the right. And yeah, I hope everybody has a great long weekend, and I'll catch everybody in the next video coming on Tuesday. Actually, I possibly might do a video this weekend seeing what's been going on with my trades to evaluate myself. So a little self-evaluation. But yeah, stay tuned. Catch everybody in the next one. Peace.